Hello everybody. Today we are going to continue with our algebra questions. We studied about algebra in the last video, and today we're going to go with some examples. So here's our first question here. The question is, wait a second. Yeah. So the question is 3x plus 4 equals 19. What we can do is, as we know that if we have one thing on one side of the equation, when it is moved to the other side of the equation, it changes sign. For example, we have plus 4 here, and if we move it on the other side, it will become minus 4. And if we look at the logic behind this, it is like 3x plus 4 equals 19. Actually, what's happening is that we're subtracting 4 from both sides. So now this plus 4 and minus 4 cancels out, and this minus 4 gives us 15. So we get 3x equals 19 minus 4. We don't get this 4 here, so we just simply say that when we move a number on the other side of the equation, it changes the sign. So let me just erase this here. So 3x, this plus 4 won't be written here now, equals 19 minus 4. So 3x will equal 15. Now, if you look at this 3x here, this 3 and x, when they don't have any number or any operation between them, they're being multiplied. So, as we know the rule that whenever one number is shifted to the other side, it changes its sign. If it is plus, it changes to minus. If it is multiplication, it changes to division. And vice versa. Like minus to plus is also opposite, and division turns into multiplication. So this is the basic rule. Now, when 3x will move on the other side, it will be divided by 3. I mean, not the x. We're trying to find the value of x. So we'll just have x equals 15 divided by 3. So x will equal 5. 31s are 3 and 35s are 15. So this is our answer, or the value for x. Now let's move on to the second question here. Yeah. So this is the question. If I look at the question, it is quite similar to the previous question. I actually got these easy questions because if you look at hard questions at the start, you start getting confused. So it's better to start off with easy questions and then move to intermediate and then to advanced questions, instead of just starting with hard questions and getting yourself confused. So let's just solve this question here. This says 2y minus 7 equals 13. So we have to find the value of y here. So let's just move minus 7 to the other side. So when it will move on the other side, it will turn into plus 7. So 2y will equal to 13 plus 7. And 13 plus 7, I can just write it in another step, which is 20. So y equals, actually what I'm going to do in this step is I'm going to take this 2, because I just need y here, so I'm going to take this 2 on the other side of the equation, and because it is being multiplied here, when it will go on the other side, it will be divided by 2. So 20, let me just change the color. Yeah, so we'll have 20 divided by 2, which will give us 10. 2 1s are 2 and 2 10s are 20. So y equals 10. Now, let's look at another question here. Yeah, so let me erase this part. So Amen. Okay. So 5z plus 2, this is plus sign here, equals 17. So here we have to find the value of z. Very simple question. 5z, this 2 will move to the other side of the equation, and because it is positive here, it will become negative here. So 5z will equal to 17 minus 2. 5z will equal to 15. And because 5 is being multiplied with the z here, we can just divide it on the other side. So z equals 15 divided by 5. So again, 5 1s are 5, and 5 3s are 15. Now, let's just do another question. 4a minus 3 equals 9. So 4a, we have to find the a here. So we just want a on one of these sides. And this is actually called making a the subject, and it is a separate topic. So we'll cover it in detail. So 4a equals 9. This is negative 3 here. When it moves to the other side, it becomes positive 3. So 9 plus 3, and 4a equals 12. So a will equal, because it is being multiplied here, the same thing, it will become divided on the other side. So 12 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So a equals 3. This is our answer. And I think one more question here. So 7b equals positive 5 here, on the other side, negative 5. So 26 minus 5. 7b equals 21. b equals 21 divided by 7. And 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So b equals 3. I think this was the last question. No, there's more. So 15k minus 8 equals 14. We need to find the k here. So 15k equals 14 plus 8. 15k equals 22, and k equals 22 by 15. You can either write this form, or you can change it into the mixed numbers. So it will be 15 1s are 15, I think, yeah. And this will be 5 and 10 to 7. So you can write it as, if you remember the rule, this comes here, this goes down, this goes up. So 1 is in the middle here, and 7 goes up, and 15 comes down here. So you can either write this form, or you can use the calculator and write the decimal, 1.467. So I hope this video was useful for all of you. You can practice some more questions. You can get from a lot of websites. I'll add some questions in the description box. Make sure to do that. Algebra is all about practicing. Keep practicing, keep moving on. Don't stop, don't lose hope. Just do it, just do it. It's really easy when you do it.